The air hung heavy with humidity as the dive team prepped their gear. Sun glinted off the gently rolling waves of the Caribbean Sea. Excitement crackled in the air, mixed with a healthy dose of apprehension. They were about to descend into the unknown, a submerged cave system recently discovered off the coast of Belize. With a final adjustment of their masks and oxygen tanks, the divers plunged beneath the waves. The sunlight faded rapidly as they descended, replaced by an eerie blue twilight. Schools of brightly colored fish flitted through coral gardens, their scales catching the fading light. The divers, their movements practiced and synchronized, navigated through the underwater landscape. The mouth of the cave loomed ahead, a dark abyss promising untold secrets. Taking a deep breath, the lead diver signaled to his team and disappeared into the shadowy entrance. The rest followed, their heartbeats echoing in their ears. The darkness enveloped them, broken only by the beams of their underwater torches. The silence was absolute, save for the gentle hiss of their breathing apparatus. A sense of awe and anticipation hung heavy in the water. They were explorers in a realm rarely seen by human eyes, venturing into a place where time seemed to stand still. Each twist and turn of the cave system held the promise of discovery. They were no longer just divers, they were pioneers, pushing the boundaries of human knowledge and daring to uncover the mysteries hidden beneath the waves. As they swam deeper into the cave system, the water grew noticeably cooler. The walls narrowed, the ceiling pressing closer, forcing them to navigate single file. The divers' lights danced across the rough-hewn walls, revealing a subterranean world of breathtaking beauty. Stalactites, formed over millennia by dripping water, hung like icy teeth from the cave ceiling. Strange, bioluminescent creatures, their bodies glowing with an ethereal light, clung to the walls. They pulsed gently with an otherworldly luminescence, illuminating the depths with their ghostly glow. It was a scene straight out of science fiction, a hidden world teeming with life that had never known sunlight. Then, the lead diver's light flickered across something unexpected. It was a smooth, flat surface out of place amidst the rough-hewn walls. As they swam closer, they realized with a jolt that it was a wall, but not a natural one. This wall was made of perfectly fitted stones, its surface covered in intricate carvings. A collective gasp echoed through their comm systems. They had stumbled upon something truly extraordinary. Evidence of human presence in this submerged world. A whisper from a civilization lost to time. The carvings, illuminated by the divers' lights, were breathtaking in their detail. They depicted scenes of daily life, hunting, fishing, and rituals that hinted at a rich and complex culture. There were images of strange boats, unlike any the divers had ever seen, suggesting a seafaring people with advanced maritime knowledge. The discovery sent ripples of excitement through the diving team. This was no ordinary cave. It was an underwater time capsule, preserving the legacy of a long-vanished civilization. Who were these people? When did they live? And what brought them to this submerged sanctuary? The questions hung heavy in the water, as tantalizing and elusive as the shadows that danced around them. Carefully, the divers began to document their findings. They photographed the carvings, their cameras flashing in the darkness, capturing images that would soon be shared with the world. They took samples of the sediment, hoping to unlock the secrets held within the cave floor. Every stone, every marking, could be a vital clue to unraveling this underwater mystery. The cave, once a silent tomb, was now alive with the whispers of the past. The divers, transformed into underwater archaeologists, had stumbled upon a discovery that had the potential to rewrite history. The news of the discovery sent shockwaves through the scientific community. Archaeologists and marine biologists flocked to Belize, eager to study the underwater cave and its secrets. Analysis of the carvings and sediment samples yielded astonishing results. Carbon dating revealed that the carvings were over 10,000 years old, predating any known civilization in the region. The images of the boats, once dismissed as fanciful depictions, were now being studied by maritime experts. They revealed a level of shipbuilding sophistication that was unheard of for that era. The carvings suggested a people who had mastered the art of ocean navigation, perhaps even crossing vast distances in their sturdy vessels. Linguists painstakingly analyzed the symbols found amongst the carvings, hoping to decipher a long-lost language. They believed that the symbols might represent an early form of writing, offering tantalizing clues to the beliefs and stories of this ancient culture. The discovery challenged long-held assumptions about human migration and technological development. It suggested that advanced civilizations may have existed in the distant past, leaving their mark on the world in ways we are only beginning to understand.